guys, for today's video ay ano ako guys, mag-prepare ako ng lulutuin ko na pakbet kalabasa. Magluluto ako ng dinengdeng na kalabasa, pumpkin guys. At ito ay pipil off ko siya.
Ipadala na kami sa Rizal.
Tamo. Guys, kalabasa.
Go. 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 Go.
Tapos
Sinayaw. Ito pipindong ko yun.
lagyan ko ng okra.
Araw. Patunutan naman. Malay. Isang bukor ko talon. Hindi pa naigay, tangan di tadalan.
Magluluto ako ng dinengdeng guys. Kalabasa, okra, talong. Ang susunod guys is ito. Dahon ng ampalaya. Gagawin ko dito ay ito. Dahon talaga guys. Yan guys. Bitter gourd leaves. Masarap to guys, ididingding. Lalagay ko doon sa may dinengdeng. Life dito sa province ay simple lang guys. Kung ano-ano na lang mauulam guys, mga ganito. Dahon ng ampalaya, yan. Ganito ang life dito guys. Ito na guys ang aming ulam. Ito na yung ko kanina guys. Ito na yung okra, kalabasa, at saka dinengdeng guys. Ilalagay ko sa may. Lalagyan ko ng ano ba yun tawag doon? Bitter gourd at saka kuros. Yung mga shrimps na maliliit. Dito ako nagluluto guys sa may apoy. What? Yan sa guys. Ampalaya. Yan guys.
Kaluwa mo. Among agagawaran ka nga napait. Kaluwa mga kasta na.
Takpan natin guys. Lutuin ng 5 minutes. Ibublo ko yung kasi wala ng apoy. Ganyan ang buhay dito sa province of Pangasinan. Ayan guys. Hi guys! Ito na yung process. Ayan na siya oh. Ayan ang aking ulam. Aming ulam guys. Yan. Simple lang. Guys. Oh, sarap. Yummy yummy. Kain na guys. Wow, sarap guys. Dinengdeng. We call this as a dinengdeng guys. Konsensya matanda. Lagyan ako ng upuan. We call this as a dinengdeng guys. Yan. Ang ulam namin. Tsaka yan. Ulam niya. Yan na guys. Unahin ko ang ampalaya. Sarap.
You have a problem like this at home. Here enters the tile and its edge warped. No need to crack tiles or walls or hire someone to repair. You just need this tile empty drum agent. You can fix it at home without having to pay someone to fix it. It comes with a metal needle that can rotate 360 degrees, whether it's a narrow gap or a shed area. It's super accurate for applying glue with it. Spray repair glue into the crevices of the tile, then wipe off the excess glue. Wait until the repair glue goes in and hardens. Easy and convenient to repair. Stronger than cement. Wall tiles
Bakura.
and floor tiles can be used. Waterproof. Toilets also can be used. Formaldehyde-free and odor-free. Feel assured to use. Special offer. Try it
Delicious.
back and try it for free. You can get a refund if it is not strong.
Kalabasa.
You have a problem like this at home. Here enters the tile and its edge warped. No need to
Delicious.
crack tiles or walls or hire.
Oh. Sarap guys. Sarap. See you guys. Susunod. Bye-bye.